Welcome students. Today we will explain poem Dust of Snow, as we all know that, which has been written by Robert Frost. Before we explain this poem, first we must know about the poet. Robert Frost was born in San Francisco, America on March 26, 1874. His father, William Prescott Frost Jr., belonged to New England, and his mother, Isabel Moody Frost, was a Scottish emigrant from Edinburgh. His father died in 1885. After his father's death, they had to live a hard life. Later on, Robert Frost became the most popular American poet of the 20th century. He died on 29th January 1963 at the age of 88. Robert Frost, some famous poems: Mending Wall, The Road Not Taken, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, The Gift Out Right After Apple Picking, Birches, Two Tramps in Mid-Time, Directive, The Death of the Hired Man. Theme of the poem: we find that the poet was sitting silently under a hemlock tree in sadness due to some reasons. Just then a crow shakes the hemlock tree and the snow falls on the poet. Due to this incident, the poet's mood changes and he watches the surroundings. Thus, a part of the day is saved from being spoiled. The poem Dust of Snow has been composed, as I have told you, by Robert Frost. In this poem, the poet is describing the natural sights. He uses different things to express his ideas. He uses crow and the hemlock tree. Both these things are the symbols of woman, Women. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here, dust of snow means particles of snow. Hemlock tree, a poisonous tree plant with small white flowers. Explanation: the poet Robert Frost recounts a small incident that changes his mood. It seems very simple, but it has great significance. The poet was once very depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrow and was lost in his thoughts. He was standing under the hemlock tree. Now, suddenly, a crow that was sitting on the tree shook the tree, and the fine particles of snow from the tree fell on the poet. Stanza 2 has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Here, mood means a state of mind. Rued, R-U-E-D, means held in regret. Explanation: when the soft and cold snow fell on the poet, it changed his mood from sad to happy. He started feeling soothed and refreshed. This simple incident helped him enjoy the remaining part of the day. He thus became happy, as it saved his rest of the day from being wasted and held in regret. Okay students, in next video I will give you Hindi summary of this poem Dust of Snow.